Good morning, student. Dear student, in the previous class we had discussed about of the ratio and we also solved some question from the exercise 10a. Now in this class we will solve some more question from the exercise 10a. So let us start from the question number 2. In the question number 2 there are given as express each of the following ratio in the simplest form. In the question number 2, this is the exercise 10a. Express each of the following ratio in the simplest form. Simplest form. To write a ratio, to write a fraction or to write a ratio in the simplest form, we will divide the both term by the SCF of the both term. So here first is given that 36 ratio 90. First we write it in the form of the fraction, that is 36 upon 90. Now we divide it by the SCF of 36 and 90. SCF of 36 and 90, that is 18. So 36 upon 90 is equal to 36 divided by 18 upon 90 divided by 18, that is 2 upon 5, which is equal to 2 ratio 5, which is the simplest form of the given ratio. Next is 324 ratio 144. We can write it 324 upon 144, which is equal to, when you convert it in the simplest form, it is, you see that it is cancelled by the 12. What term are cancelled by 12? That is, again it is cancelled by 3. That is 9 upon 4, which implies 9 ratio 4. You can write equal here. 9 ratio 4. So to convert a ratio in their simplest form, we will divide by their SCF. We will divide them by their SCF. Okay? Note it. Okay, now we solve the question number 3. Question number 3 is as well as same as the question number 2 and 1. In the question number 3, write each of the following ratio in the simplest form. Write each of the following ratio in the simplest form. In the question number 3, first question, rupees 630 ratio rupees 6080. To write the ratio in the simplest form, first we write them in the fraction form. So we can write 630 upon 6080. Here both are the unit are same, so we will write directly in the. In this case, we see that the decimal place in the both term are the same. So we will remove the decimal, that is 630 upon 0 is cancelled by 0. Now it is cancelled by 7. When you cancel it by 7, 7 9 is 63, 7 2 are 14, and 2, 7 4 is again 3 3 are 9, and 3 8 are 24, which is equal to 3 upon 8, which is equal to 3 ratio 8. This is the simplest form of the given ratio. Next one, 3 week ratio 30 days. 3 week ratio 30 days. Here the unit is different. The units are different. First, the unit of the first term is the weeks, and unit of second terms is the days. Unit of first term is the weeks, and unit of second term is the day. So we convert them in the same unit. To convert in the same unit, we know 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 3 week is equal to 21 days. So that is equal to 21 days ratio 30 days. We will write 21 upon 30. 3 7 are 21, 3 10 are 30. That is 7 upon 10, which is equal to 7 ratio 10. 7 ratio 10. It is the simplest form of the given ratio. Next one, in the third, 3 meter, 5 centimeter, and 35 centimeter. 3 meter, 5 centimeter, ratio 35 centimeter. Here there are 2 units. Here is the 1 unit. So we convert them in this 1 unit. If you convert it in the 1 unit, that is 305 centimeter, ratio 35 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we can write 305 upon 35. It is cancelled by, both are cancelled by 5. That is equal to 61 ratio 7. Okay. So you will solve that all of the question of the question number 3. First you convert them in the same unit. In the question 4, minute and hour, then you convert them in the minute. In the feet, liter and milliliter, then you convert liter in the milliliter. And in the 6th, kg and gram, so you convert them in the gram. Okay, then you simplify them. Okay, note it. Okay, student. Now we come on the next question, that is question number 4. The question number 4, Mr. Sahai and his wife are both school teacher and earn. So, first you find the Mr. Sahai income. What is the Mr. Sahai income? In the question number 4, Mr. Sahai income, that is 16,800, and Mrs. Sahai's that is rupees 10,500. Rupees 10,500 per month. Find the ratio of first ratio of Sahai income to his wife income. His wife income. That is 16,800 ratio 10,500. We convert it in the simplest form. It is cancelled by 168 upon 105. Now it cancels. That is 8:5. Here you cancel it by 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 3 5 are 15. Now you cancel it by 7, 7 8 are 56, 7 5 are 35. Second, Mr. Sahai's, Mrs. Sahai's income to her husband's income. Mrs. Sahai's income to her husband's income. Here first is given the Mrs. Sahai's income. After that their husband's income. So first you write the Mrs. Sahai's income. The Mrs. Sahai's income, that is 10,500 ratio 16,800. Here is given that Mr. Sahai's income and his wife. First is the Mr. Sahai. So first we write the Mr. Sahai. Here is the Mrs. Sahai's first. So first we write the income of Mrs. Sahai. That is 10,500 upon 16,800. When you simple it, you will get that 5 upon 8. That is 5:8. That is 5:8. Now in the third, Mrs. Sahai income to total income. Third, Mr. Sahai. total income. Here total income is equal to 16,800 plus 10,500, that will be equal to 003 27,300. Now ratio of that is 16,800 ratio 27,300. We will write it 16,800 upon 27,300. We will cancel it by 3. 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 9 are 27, 3 1 are 3, 7 8 are 56. That is 8:30. Okay, note it. Okay, now we solve the next question, that is question number 6. Question number 5 is as well as same. The question number 4, we will solve that. In the question number 6, there is given that the ratio of the number of male and female worker in the space. Ratio of male and female workers, that is 5:3. 5:3. there are 150 male workers. Male workers, 150. Let the male and female workers are 5x and 3x. Ratio is 5 and ratio 3. So we will suppose that there are 5x worker are male and 3x worker are female. So 5x is equal to 150 because the male worker is given that 150 and we have supposed that there are 5x worker male worker. So 5x is equal to 150, that is x is equal to 150 upon 5, that is 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. X is equal to 23. Now and so female worker is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 23, that is 9, 6, that is 69. Okay, you note it. In this question, the ratio is given that and the male workers are given that. First, we suppose that let the male and female workers are 5x and 3x. So, the 5x is equal to 150. So, x is equal to 150 upon 5, that is 5 to the 10 and 5 to the 15. So, female workers will 3x, that is 3 into 23, that is 69. Okay, note it. Okay, now we come on the next question. In the next question, that is question number 7, the boys and the girls in the school are in the ratio. That is question number 7. Ratio of boys and girls. That is 9:5. If the total strength, (448). Find the number of girls. That is sum of ratio. That is 9 plus 5. It is 14. From here, you can observe that if the total number of the student will be 40, the number of girls will be 5. If the total number of students be 14, the number of girls will be 5. Let the 9x and 5x, then 9x plus 5x is equal to 448, that is 14x is equal to 448. This implies x is equal to 448 upon 14, 32. So number of girls be that is 5x, that is 5 into 32, 160. There is no need of this line. Next question, that is question number 8. Divide 1575 between Kunal and Madhu. You can solve it as well as question number 8. Ratio. The ratio is given as 7:2. Let the part be 7x and 2x, that is 9x is equal to sum of part, that is 7x plus 2x, which is equal to the 1575. 9x is equal to the 1575, then x is equal to 1575 upon 9. 9 on the 9. X is equal to 175. So part of Kunal, that is 7x, which is equal to 7 into 175, that is 7 5 are 35, 7 7 are 49, 49 and 3 52, 7 on the 7 5 12. And Madhu, that is 2x, that is 2 into 175, 2 5 are 10, 15, 350. Okay, you note it. Okay student, in today's class we have solved some question from the exercise 10. Rest of the question you will solve that. In the next class we will discuss about of the proportion. If you have any problem in the exercise 10, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you, good day.